say goodbye to fake remedy. Only 2 tablespoons of this homemade detox drink to cleanse smoker lungs naturally. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of royal jelly, 1 small piece of ginger roots, 1 tablespoon of Chinese tea. You can buy it from Amazon. 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 liter of filtered water, 1 teaspoon of honey, At first, you need to add 1 liter of water in a medium-sized pot and start boil in a lower heat. Now add ginger and turmeric powder. After putting all of these ingredients into the pot, start boiling with a medium heat. Now strain the mixture over a glass bowl. Now put the mixture in the fridge. You can keep this into a jar about 1 to 2 weeks. Take 2 tablespoons on an empty stomach in the morning and another 2 tablespoons 2 hours before dinner. You must take it 2 times a day. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.